All right, well, let's get down to business. I'm going to think the smaller box is going to be the L3++. So let's start there. Oh, let's check it out. Look at this packaging, huh? Is that something? Man. I didn't fool around, you know? Let's see this. I'm going to put my screen up so I can see what you're seeing while I do this. Looks like it goes across here. Here. I'm going to pull this one out first. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. That's the miner. That's the power supply. I'll show you how they packed it. All right, you know, kind of cool. So before she shipped this to me, or the picture that on the messaging thing was a woman, so I think it was a she. She texted me and said that she replaced the fans because they were kind of dirty and beat up a little bit, and she said she cleaned the machine, so that was nice. Now that Z9 that I got from that other company, you know, like I said, I was excited that it actually showed up, but it was pretty dirty. Yeah, it was definitely dirty. One of the fans, the metal outside was a little bent, so it was just touching the fan. I had to take that apart and just kind of bend it back out, give it a little more space between there, and it was stop making the noise, but it's pretty dirty. And I'm going to do a video one time on cleaning that one. I'm going to take that apart and we're going to clean that. But this one should be pretty good. Okay, let's put this. Sorry if that's loud in the microphone. You know, it's a little scuffed up, but as far as it goes for being clean, it's clean. So I'm going to leave the camera where it's at because it's not a bad spot. I'm going to show you the, can that focus? So you got the L3++. Put that like that. Looks good. Looks good. So let's look at the power supply. The power supply, 1800 watts. You know, hey guys, no frills, right? You know on my channel, what you're gonna get. No frills. That's it. What you see is what you got. The other day I did a video. I was in my underwear all day on my day off. You know what? I look good. Look at that. I like this. Looks good all around. Looks like it needs a little wipe down. Just a little bit more. But you know what? Like I said, you know, let's go look it up right now. There it is. So I run mine overclocked a little bit. Mine runs at just 1,000 watts. Actually runs at like 990. We're going to round it up to 1,000. And I run, you know, I'll tell you what I run. You know what? All right, so we're swapped over here, and let's take a look at the L3++. Now, I have one hooked up right now downstairs in Crazy Town, and I'm going to go ahead and just put my numbers in that we have right now. It is at 626, and I am running about 990. We'll just put 1,000. We'll calculate that out, and here we are running at 672 a day. So, and that's doing the merge mining. So let's put that in, and 72 times, oops, let's do that again. So let's, 672 times 30. All right, so about $200 a month. You know, I mean, that's great. You know, I bought this unit for about $600. So I'm looking at, you know, 3 months, and I've said it before, I'll say it again, you know, 4 months ROI is a great number. 5 months is a really good number. 6 months, you better be into it. 7 months, you really better be into it. And 8 months, you know, you're dreaming at that point. I try not to go higher than 6 months. I try to stick around. 5 months is a real nice number. 4 months, like I said, is really what I always shoot for. But this one, we're looking at 3 months. So, you know, if I can get this paid off in 3 months, you know, what can I really say? That's great. I'll be really excited about that. And if Dogecoin continues to stay at its current value, and of course it's not, it's going to drop. But in the meantime, if I can get this even making $100 a day, I'm sorry, $100 a month, I mean, that's still a great number. I mean, making $100 a month, you know, you're not going to retire on this machine. But when you have several machines running, you know, you throw that on the pile and it adds up. And it adds up quick, you know, $100 here, $100 there. You know, if I had $200 from this, now this is going to be my second machine, so that's 200 from the first one, 200 from this one. I've got a couple other ones that I'm going to be hooking up. So overall, I'm excited about this. I think this is a good purchase. I think I did okay. I know in the bear market, these machines are probably selling for $50. So, you know, obviously I'm buying it way over what it should be. But right now with the price, I feel confident I'm going to make back my money. And then, you know, as we're going into this bear market, you know, it's gonna drop down. But of course, you know, we'll have to struggle through it. We're all going to struggle through it. You know, we got about a year of it to go through. So things are just changing now. They're slowly sliding back down, and we're falling into that bear market. But when that bull run comes again, I'll have this machine ready to go, and I'll still have been already making some money on it. When that market pops up, this thing will just start, you know, making money instantly, more and more as the market, you know, gets better and better in the next year, maybe a year and a half. And I can't say that I'm going to be disappointed. So overall, I'm happy about this one. Like I said, this is the first time I purchased through this seller. You know, I've done that other Alibaba video showing how I chose who I use, and you know, you have to really do your due diligence when it comes to searching for the best sellers, finding people that have been in business for a while, have a lot of followers, you know, use the Alibaba protection, and are also verified. So anyway, that's it. So I'm going to get this thing running. The next video I'm going to do is going to be setting this up. We're going to go through start to finish, how to set up an L3++. So you're going to want to check that video next. And I'm going to show you the super long-winded version of that. So I won't be editing any of it out. you know, this video and all the other ones I make are all about my mistakes. I think I made a right choice here. You know, give me some comments below. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you think I'm doing this right or if I'm doing it wrong. You know, the videos that I'm going to be making are, like I said, going to be long-winded, but I want to show you from start to finish. So if I make mistakes as I go, you can see them and how I correct them and what I do. And this way you can learn on what not to do. So anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Again, throw me a thumbs up, give me a like on this thing, and I'll see you on the next videos.